second try. No. Now we got the number 11. Yes. 7 against 19. 3 minutos. 14 segundos. Nalauna number 13. Long pass to Manuel. Memoria taking Tony. Ganao 3-7. Taking violation. Same one. 14 seconds shot clock. 2 minutes and 28. 2 minutos 28. Memoria. Pass to Taguan numero 2. Aras baik crossover kaya numero 20 numusot ko niya. Number 9.
Step kung tawa sugod.
Ito number 20 bubol na bounce pass to number 20.
Nasa ko pangita nga ron.
For the first back shot. Ninolia 9.
Tago na score ko.
13 at downtown territory for the 15th to shoot. Number 13.
Travel.
So 3 seconds by Otso, bounce pass to 9. 15 seconds shot clock. 13. Nice defense. Nakanusin. Warning to 1:30. First try by Nolo. 1 minuto 33 second.
Ano ko terkebangan ka pala. Pangitan. Pau.
Steve. Second and final to go.
Shoot.
Yes. Tagua. Bounce pass is staying under the net. Pick up pass. 10 seconds of clock. Tagua. Number 6 left for down. Long pass to number 8. Baby Meta Kanagulan. Captain to shoot number 11. Bumoylon. Nice move.
Agoy.
Short. Marsh. Pick up
Bomba.
short. Bumatong sa ball. 52 seconds. Sabay kay Taguan. Taguan. Numero 02. Haras Bayotso. Captain to shoot. Pasto. Sabay. Nagod. North situation. 40 seconds. Nice defense. That's Nimolia. Taguan. Taguan. Haras by Sailor. Turnaround shot. Nagod. Dribble by Rodrigo. Pick and pump. Short. Nice rebound. Steve. Sailor. Hold the ball. Pass to Nalungin. 22 segundos. Captain seconds at clock.
Bila sila sa tip Japon ah.
In short. 15.
Agoy.
10 seconds.
Sa.
Basket. Last call. Point.
Bilang abot.
Nice together. Number 11 for the first week. Reverse. Come up to say yes. That's not mine. It's a foul. Sideline going by Rodrigo. Tagua. Bumoy. Yes. Number 5, up to 11. Bounce, pass to number 9. Sailor, natabing ka muna. Napunta ka na may direction number 10. 10 to number 8. 8 to number 2. Tagua, second 2. Yes, sir. What's up? Pinanayan! For 7 minutes on 10. Babawi si Dalida. Hawaan na kadali. Nakakulang whistle. Kanihang. Jersey 5. Pass to number 20. Back to Dalida. It's Sailor from Nakusta. Navarra, back to Nakusta.
Bilang. Aga pa.
Patrick to number 11. Nakita. Ako, Segunda. Navarra. Pass to Nakusta. Hiningi Taguan. Captain to shoot. Number 02. 10 seconds of clock. Yes.
I can't, I don't know. Nang kids ni Ron.
Bawi number 11.
Ron, ano ba kayo?
11. Dribble. Ginabol by Winte. Open si Roxa. Taking to wing. 11. Nice kick. Steve back. In and out. Rebound by Nawai. Nawai to the one. Nabano to Taguma. Taguma number 7. Sarado. Crossover. Binigay si Lani. Foul. Nakakulang whistle. Line first Germany. Ipatapos ang laban. Nangulawang pagsubok. Pumasok 56 segundos. For the first half of action. This time check is brought to you by Kulang Kabayo. Ayan po si Otso. Captain to shoot, Nalungin to Esteban, back to Nalungin for 10 seconds shot clock. Inanig kay Esteban, yung shot ng dos, hindi pumadok. At Esteban again, bounce, taking to again, short again, Namay, lost the ball, save the ball. Napunta ngayon kay Teresa, Nalungin. Nagititan, nabitawan na, Steven Staguas, 11, 5 to shoot, short. Rebound by Nets na nice lead. Naman 3.55. Steve short. Nailka. Nalumi. Jauja. Maala. 3 minutos. 37 segundos. Nabara Food Products sumasayaw. Number 16, Captain to shoot. Knuckles fight. Pumakontrol. Single minutes. Rebound by Nawai. Ball. Taking back. Short. Rebound is Tiba. Bigay kay Nailka. Napsundot na Rizal. Yes. Scoring by Saito. No 55. Sarado to number 16 gagawin mo, burahin! Ninuragan, hindi pumapayag, mga galingan. 40 against 80, 22 point lead for a 2-40 for the first half of action. Numero 20, 20 con 9, 15 to shoot, numero 8, 8, pasto to Ransen, nakakuha ng whistle. Elias ka. 10 to shoot. Quick shot. 2 and 14. Pagbuha. Pumako ng gas. Yes, scoring. 2 minutes for the first half. 1 by 5. Rosada. Sarado. Sinalubong inalaman. Captain to shoot, Sabal. Bounce to mga jet. In and out. Number 8. Dalangan back to Niliaska. Numero 15, crossover. Sinundot na back ng dalangan niya. Ganito yung territory na it's Bars, naman, short. Rebound by number 13, 17. Masteron, 16. 52 segundos. 16. Downtown territory. Taking point. Good. Sama. Yes. 35. Captain to shoot. 10 seconds shot clock. Point. Rebound. Dalangan 10 seconds.
Tira.
Last on 5.
Tira Gun. Tira.
Elias. Babawi ang pangka. Captain to shoot. Yes, Sauna Trosa. Nalaman tingin ko yung show. Long pass number 20, back. Going intercepted by number 13. Long pass number 12. Junior Sabal! Carlos, number 16. Tugod. S. Celtics. Captain to shoot. Yes, basket. Back to Ball set by number 11. Number 9. 6-13. Captain Riju. To number 8. Back to pressure. 10 seconds at clock. Jump shot by 8. Nogat. 16. Tabi ang bola. Nakuha ni 11. 11. Nailga. Adolas. Ibinalik ang number 8. Captain Riju. Bumoylo. Alahoy ang tira. Turn around by Steve. Natabik si Ula. 10 seconds at clock. Jump shot by number 11. Nogat. Pay. Ball. At Nalumid, yes. Nalaw na binigay sa gitna. May biso. Base rebound by Robrico. Robrico, long pass to Dalaw na. Binigay sila ni Robrico. Nice. Hindi yung may tama ng bulan. Pass to Otso. Otso.
Sa. Oh, tapal. Ay.
Nice and well. Saba. Nice save. Nalumid. Nice Saba. Number 11. Automatic foul. Payment foul. Nahuli. Sure. Ibabay Zabad. 4 minutes and 55. Lamay number 16. Foul. Nice. Save pa to. Ibabay ng Yasa. Minamulay sa ilog. Sa ilog and harap by Nalawan. Sa ilog sumasayaw. Bumoylo. Automatic pass. Bigay ngayon kay Logan Tigration. 10 to 0 up. 11. Yes. 49. 4 minutos. 25. Minutos. Sa mga ginawa ng bola. Nakatapingan po siya. Kunin na may. Nagsang sa tingin. York. Saban. Michael Zulo.
Shoot.
Oh, one.
Doon.
Ang 52 rin eh.
Haboy, haboy.
50 po yan. Minutos. Pagua. Saban.
Kante.
Apang ita. T against lang. Long pass to Nalumi. Aras by A. Up. Losada. Bounce and pump. Using the glass. Nakatagay ang bola. Losada again. Turn around. Bounce pass to Nalumi. Magandang dipisa ng San Jose. Mars. Again. Nakatagay ang bola. Hop. Extended. Hop. Nalumi. Yes. Number 13. 101 ang divisa ng Panginoon. Bounce pass to Robrico. Nakuha ng whistle. First is the basket by Robrico. 2.5.
Two.
Bumoylo. Acrobatic shot. Yes, basket.
That's correct.
Ikaw na inubos mo ng soft drink.
Nalaunan. To Robrico.
Cancel.
So whistle. First one. Hindi buwasan. For the third of action.
Mabalik.
Doon na lang
Busy ka na, Hay.
ang bola ngayon na Rosso. Haras by number 13. Binigay kay Lusada. Back to Nalungin. 10 to shoot. Number 08. 10-point territory. Number 9. Taking 2. Lead on. Rebound by 9. Is Nilongin. Ninolia ngayon. Long pass to number 13. 13. Binigay sila. Ay, ang gagawin pumasok sila. Nice defense for that 2 minutes.
Hindi mo magiging player.
Lo, tapal. Pasa. Sabal.
Sabal.
Ay, lang kasi.
Nice bars. It's Jeremy Otso. Pakita niya yung babawi. Harap by Taguwa. Otso to meron. Tingin to rebound. Taguwa nakakuha ng defensive rebound. Taguwa to nalaon ni Nania. Taguwa na bitawan sa bola. 140. 135. Losada layup. Short. Ewan by Milonia. Nakatabigan.